Hi, this is Yuki Ku from Roots and Wings Legal. We are on our 30-day series for estate planning for tech parents. Today, I want to talk about unmarried couples. Unmarried couples with children, either from prior marriage or the current or with each other in this partnership. Now, the law does not protect you as the law protects married couples. If you guys are not here, the other person does not automatically inherit what you have. And there are many stories that the living partner gets kicked out of the house, even though they might have children together, because the rightful heir of the deceased want to take over the property. So first of all, you want to think about how are your properties being held. Is it titled the way that gives you the protection? It's common to see people own a property as joint tenancy with right of survivorship. The issue there is that if you are not here, the property goes to the living partner, and then you cannot control where it goes after that. If you have children from prior marriage, they might be disinherited just because of that lack of planning. Now, that's just talking about real property. What about your other personal property? What about your bank account, your investments? So those are the considerations you need to think about from an asset perspective. Now, your healthcare decisions and financial decisions should also be made by the right people. So without the proper power of attorneys, your significant other cannot make decisions for you. So that's really non-negotiable if you have a significant other that you want them to make decisions for you. Now, for the children that you have, you really should think about who will take care of your children. It is very important to think about who will provide the care and stability for the children if you are not here. So that's something really important to consider. Another thing that is important to think about is what about your retirement account and life insurance benefit designations? These designations are actually super important to be designated correctly. And in fact, those designations override what's in your estate plan, in your trust or will documents. At our firm, we handhold our clients with the whole retitling of all of their assets to make sure that the assets pass through the way that they intend to. But if you are working on this on your own, you need to make sure that the beneficiary designations are done correctly so that your assets go to the right places. Now, you probably know this. Wills and trusts are the cornerstone of any estate plan. Of course, there are a lot more to the estate plan than those two documents. You need to, because you are not married, the estate plan is super important to help you make sure that the assets of yours go to the places and go to the people and at the time that you intend them to be. So that's something really important for you. And last but not least, because you are unmarried to each other, there are tax implications. There are tax benefits that are not available to you because you are not married to each other. So all of that is to say that if you are an unmarried couple, especially with children, it's super important to get an estate plan in place. And you should seek professional guidance, someone who is very focused on this area and be able to help you. So I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're available to guide you through this process and help you preserve your legacy and protect the people that you love. I'll see you next time.